Well, hello, hello. What's going on, YouTubers?
I'm here too.
And Spats is here too.
Hello.
Hello. Here we have an Eskimo model 2016. I believe this to be from the 50s. Now, anyone, I'm talking to you, Bo Mitchell, anyone who has any information on this, please let us know in the comment section below. But anyhow, the story behind this fan is that I actually got it from the thrift store this past Friday, and it was $7, and I decided I couldn't live without it. So, anywho, got the fan. It was in pretty good shape. It was a little dirty. I have cleaned it up. The box and the grills and the blades have gone through the dishwasher, and it came out really clean. And the motor was not obviously put through the dishwasher because it does have paper insulation. I do believe that it's a Robbins and Myers motor, as Nicholas Lauer confirms. So again, if anyone has any information on when this was manufactured, let me know. Again, it's an Eskimo model 2016 by McGraw Electric, Burstead Manufacturing Division. I'm going to take a quick video of starting it up and shutting it down, and then I'm going to show you the controls, and that we can get a good close-up look of how things work. So without further ado, here's Hi. Medium. Low.
This thing has some cool startup sounds.
Yes, it does.
Low is very quiet.
Low is very quiet. It still moves a ton of air, though. Moves more air than a modern Galaxy Walmart special thing
On high.
on high. So here's low. We're going to get some startup sounds from the back of the motor here in a moment. But first, we all know OFF spells off. Of course, the motor has been oiled with our famous Zoom spout. A lot of fan collectors use that. It's a good general purpose non-detergent oil. Okay, there we go. Now, it is important to understand this motor was very stiff when we got it. It's apparently been sat for a long time without being run. It does have some surface rust here and there that I'll show you. It also has some paint chipping. But I'm not going to paint it because it is original paint. So we're just going to live with the defects.
And one thing to note, this thing, the very, very heavy gauge steel.
Absolutely, and I mean by heavy gauge steel, this thing is like, I mean, it's like 18 gauge steel. It's thicker steel than the body of my car, honestly.
Yep, it ain't gonna bend or flex or nothing.
No, it's not, and literally, everything's falling over. It literally weighs 30 pounds.
It's a tank.
It is a tank.
That motor in there is a tank.
Oh, the motor by itself weighs probably 6 or 7 pounds. All right, now the speed control on this fan actually operates using a choke coil, or if you will, a multi-tap transformer to supply the switch on the top, in other words, does not control low, medium, and high windings. There's only one winding in the motor, and the choke coil has multiple taps, so it limits what the winding in the motor is going to receive from the AC main supply.
Yeah, it's supposed to limit current, whereas like a normal transformer would just still output the same current voltage, but so hence it won't draw any extra current, won't overheat, nothing. You know, it's a single phase shaded pull motor, won't hurt.
Yeah, and the motor is rated 1 amp because basically it's a 115 watt motor rated at 115 volts AC. Gives you 1 amp according to Ohm's law. Okay, high. Medium. low. Back to medium. Back to high. And off. Off we go. Off with her head. OFF spells off.
At least it's not on.
That's true. It's not on, it's OFF off. Alright, for startup sounds from the back, here's high. Alright, and startup sounds from the back, here's medium. Alright. And finally, startup sounds from the back. Here's low. And off. And it is important to note, if I have not already mentioned it, this is a 16-inch box fan. Eskimo also made a 20-inch version of this called the Big 20. It looks exactly the same, only, you know, obviously 20 inches and has a different motor. So, I'll leave you with a parting shot here of the motor. I did clean off the rust on these grills as best I could, but it becomes a point where the more you scrub, the more chrome comes off, so I didn't want to make things worse. Alright. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to click like and subscribe, and have a great day. See you in the next video.